Good morning, I'm Kiana Magtimuluyo and this topic is about how people make choices in everyday life. It explains why we pick certain things and how we try to choose what the best for us and why sometimes our decisions are not always perfect or logical. Rational choice theory says that people make decisions by thinking carefully and choosing the option that is best for them. It means that before deciding, a person compares the choices and picks the one that gives the most benefit. For example, if you want a snack, you might choose the one that tastes good and costs less because it feels like the smarter choice. Utility theory explains that people choose things that makes them the happiest or most satisfied. Utility simply means happiness or enjoyment. So when someone makes a choice, they usually pick the one that gives them the most positive feeling. For example, you might pick your favorite ice cream flavor even if other flavors are available because it gives you the most happiness. Normative theory tells us how people should make decisions, meaning they should think clearly, use logic, and choose the best option. While descriptive theory, on the other hand, describe how people actually make decisions in real life. It shows that sometimes people choose based on feelings, habits, or mistakes. For example, even if a healthy snack is a better choice, someone might pick a candy because it tastes sweeter and makes them happy at the moment. So, in conclusion, rational choice and utility theory help us to understand why people make certain decisions. They show that people often try to choose the option that gives them the most benefit or happiness. However, while normative theory explains how people should decide using logic, descriptive theory reminds us that real life decisions are not always perfect because feelings and habit can influence us. Overall, these ideas teach us that decisions making is a mix of thinking carefully and understanding our emotions. Thank you.